this is the Wonder Pore Freshener and I love it, love it, love it. It comes in a pump bottle like this, and what I do is I just take a cotton, and I already use this, but I pump it down, the liquid comes out, and I just wipe it all over my face. And it's only been a few days, but I'm going to tell you about it anyway. I just love it, love it, love it. It's 7 in 1, and what it says is it deep cleanses pores, maintains the pH of 4.5, controls a large amount of sebum, minimizes appearance of pores, refines the skin tone, keeps the elasticity of pores, and moisturizes inside and outside of the skin. So I have been using it for a few days, and I ordered, this is one of the things from my haul that I ordered from Hover, and I was just amazed by this. I really, really love it. Now I have really, really dry skin, and I've been using the Guerlain Super Aqua Toner before this, and I actually really like this because even though I have super dry skin, I still get breakouts. I moved to my balcony, and I was talking about, here's the container for the Wonder Pore Freshener, and yeah, so one morning in particular I want to share with you why I love this Wonder Pore Freshener so much. Look at this. It says oops, and I guess it takes out the acne, and I've really seen a difference even though I've been only using it for a few, like 3-4 days, and maybe 5, I don't know. And so like this is me without makeup. I've put sunscreen and cream and stuff, and I don't have a big problem with pores. I mean, if you want a close-up of my nose or something, but I don't have, I get acne, like I had some here, and I had like little bumps here, but they're going away now, and sometimes I get like pimples and stuff, and I have really sensitive skin and really, 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 really dry skin and really, really, really sensitive skin, and it's so annoying because a lot of things I can't use. It irritates my skin. So one morning I woke up and I had like a little whitehead around here, and I just wiped my face with my tissue cotton with the toner, and when I wiped it once, the whitehead was gone. And I've just noticed in a few days that my skin looks more refined, I guess you can say. So I just love this. The thing is that, like with me, I have really, really dry skin, so after I use this, my skin doesn't feel moisturized. It does feel a bit tight, and so immediately after that I either use another toner, because I still have a bit of my Guerlain toner left, and I use or immediately after this I put my serum. So yeah, I really, really like it, and I have so many things to share with you. Another thing that I want to talk about is the creams I've been using. So I finished using the Helena Rubinson Skin Life Repair, and I really liked this at first because it was during the winter when I bought this, and the thing is though, it's so expensive, and I like this, and it doesn't have any special effect on your skin except like it's a good moisturizer, and it's good for sensitive skin. But recently I've been using the samples of the Gold Caviar line. This is the Gold Caviar serum. Oh my gosh, the Gold Caviar nutrition mask, so amazing. This is amazing. And the Gold Caviar collagen serum. I really love these. Like, I didn't expect to. I haven't broken out with these. Yeah, I really, really love these. These are fantastic for dry skin like me because it moisturizes my skin. I haven't broken out, and it just feels so smooth and silky, and I mean, this is a much better moisturizer, and the price compared this with Helena Rubinson, this is so much cheaper. Why buy this when you can buy this? That's what I think. When I first, like, let's say 10 years ago, when I first started getting into skincare, one of the brands that I turned to was Clarins. And so I've used a full size of this already, and I've used this one. This is almost finished actually. There's just like air in here. I've used this. This is the recent one, the Daily Energizer Cleansing Gel, the lotion, and the Daily Energizer Cream. This is just okay, you know. I like the toner, but it's just okay. It's not anything special, really. This one is what I found is the best from the Clarins line. I've used the Hydro Quench, and I've used the, I think it's the Daily Moisturizer Cream, the normal one, which is the Multi-Active Day, and I've used the Multi-Active Night. I like the Night. Out of all of the Clarins creams and stuff, this one I like the best. It's a good moisturizer, just like this one is a good moisturizer. So I don't really think it's anything special. They don't break me out. It's good for sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin. So it's nice. Then I tried, after that, I've been using the Lyrac cream. And I've been using it for like 3 months. And this says it's for very dry or over dry skin. And it's anti-wrinkle phytocosmetic cream. I don't like it. This is not moisturizing. It's not, I don't believe that it's for very dry skin, because after this I needed to use another cream over it. And yeah, so I used this and then I put this over it. That's the only way I can use it, because this is alone, it's not enough for me. If you have, I don't know, it doesn't do anything, it's nothing special, so I don't think this is worth buying at all. You're just gonna waste money. That's what I think. Yeah, I'm telling you very honestly. The other things is the Clarins eye creams. I don't like any of the Clarins eye creams at all. And I've tried the Skin Smoothing Eye Mask. I have another eye cream, and before that I had another eye cream that I've finished and I threw away. I forgot what it's called, but they only have like 2 or 3 eye creams in this. So, I mean, not for the very old, not for old people, for, you know, people. I'm 31, sorry. I just told you my age, but yeah, I'm 31. And yeah, so, their eye creams, because I have very dry skin, I tend to get eczema around my eyes. It's not heavy enough for me. It's not moisturizing enough for me. So I just have to layer more stuff on over them. So, you know, especially at night, you know, because I don't want to wake up and have like flakes all over and all around my eyes. And if I just use the Clarins eye cream, that's what happens. So I've been using the Lyrac I've been using like this every day. So I use Clarins eye cream, then I use this over it every day, and I just apply them very, very generously. Like I have to apply this very, very generously for it to like do anything. So I use like a teaspoon, or I don't know, like I have to use a lot of it, which I don't for like the skin food. I could use this 3 times, and I could use this 3 times too, and it's just like a little sample. So yeah, that's what I have to say about the creams. Okay, and the next thing is the Nymph Aura Volumizer. And I've been using this Collagen Moistful BB Cream from Etude House. These are both from Etude House, and I haven't used this yet, so I'm going to use this with you on camera for the first time. And the Collagen Moistful BB Cream I've been using for the last few days, and yeah, I like it. And it's a good BB cream. That's all I can say about it, because it's just a sample, and it says whitening and anti-wrinkle. I don't know if from a sample if I can tell if that's true, but this is number 23. So for the first time I'm going to use this with the Nymph Aura, so I'll do that. I'll just take a bit of that, and you're supposed to mix it with the Nymph Aura Volumizer. This is number 1. I'm gonna put like half a pump, like that. Yes, I'm using my hands. My hands are clean, I wash them, and I always use my hands. I don't like to use other things. So yeah, so it's supposed to be a 1/3 ratio of this to the BB cream or foundation. So then you're supposed to mix it together, and I'm so excited. Look, I'm so excited because I want to get, you know, the dewy skin look. Oh, I should tell you about sunscreen. So, yeah, I ordered all this stuff from, well, you saw the previous order. This one I got from Hover. It is the Innisfree EcoSafety Perfect Sunblock with organic sunflower oil and green tea. And it says 7 free. I don't know what that means, and it says long lasting. But I don't think it's waterproof. So this is it, and I like it. It has, at first, when I opened it and I tried it, I was like, ooh, the smell, it's strong, you know, and then I wasn't sure if I liked it. But then I kept trying it, and I really like it. And I really like the smell. I think that if you have a good sense of smell, maybe, and you don't like strong smelling stuff, then maybe you won't like this. But I really like it, and I like strong smelling stuff because I have a really bad sense of smell, so I can smell this, and that's nice. And it lasts on your skin. It smells like, it has a sunscreen smell, and it lasts on your skin, but it's not only a sunscreen smell. It has a smell I really can't describe. It's really hard to describe. Okay, the next thing that I want to tell you about is concealer. I think I don't really need concealer right now, but generally I have dark circles under my eyes, and I have been using, look, I've been using this for years. Yeah, the same concealer, 6mm, because I don't use concealer every day, and I think I gotta throw this out because it's probably old, but I bought this in Japan. This is the Christian Dior concealer in number 2. And then, so recently I bought this one. Again, I ordered from Hover, and it is the Skin Food Dark Circle Concealer Cream. Salmon Dark Circle Concealer Cream. And yeah, it looks like a normal concealer, and I just take like a little. And yeah, it's a lot lighter than my skin color, but everything blends in. So that's okay. Yeah, it's a nice concealer. Actually, it doesn't crease. I don't find it creasing on my skin, which is really nice. Oh, I forgot to put on this. I ordered this Collagen Moistful Essence and Primer, and it's a spray primer. And yeah, so I've never used a primer before, but I've been using this the last few days, and it's nice. It's moisturizing as well. Now, I don't have big pores, and I don't have, you know, a big problem, so I'm not trying to actually use a primer for my pores. I just thought, well, maybe it'll make my makeup last longer. I'm not sure if it's true because I haven't been using a lot of makeup recently. And but I like it because it moisturizes my skin. It's like extra moisture on the skin, and it's supposed to make the makeup last, and it's in a spray bottle. I mean, how cool is that? Primer in a spray. So it's Essence and Primer. It says Essence Infused, okay, reading the bottle. Da-da-da. Essence Infused Primer Spritz moistens complexion for improved foundation coverage and longevity. Formulated with collagen to strengthen derma integrity and improve look. Anyways, it does give me a bit of a dewy look too, and I like it. It moisturizes my skin, and it smells sweet, and I like it. That's all I can say about it because I only wore it like once. So then the next thing is